I'm Jessica Swietoniowski for The Rebel, and I have a garbage ship update for all of you. Environment and Climate Change Canada did inform me that the 69 containers of Canadian garbage did leave the Philippines on May 30th, and in a stop in Taiwan, the containers were actually transferred to a larger vessel. They did tell me that this is common practice, and it is still en route to Canada and expected in BC at the end of the month. The vessel is in South Korea at the moment, so the original arrival date of June 20th doesn't seem very likely. It seems like it will be later than that, but they said if there's no more unexpected delays, it will be in BC at the end of June. And you know, I have to assume Climate Barbie, Catherine McKenna, must be getting very antsy waiting for her beloved garbage. For The Rebel, I'm Jessica Swietoniowski. To track the garbage ship and my stories, please visit garbageship.com. And independent journalism does come at a price. So if you are able to pitch in on my journey by covering the cost of my hotel, flight, and a personal safe driver for myself while I'm here in the Philippines, you can also do that on garbageship.com. And with that, you can help me do the work that CBC won't. And thank you.